All right, I need a new video for my YouTube channel for about celebrity real estate. So I'm going to come here to YouTube Creator AI. I'm going to come to the topic scout first. I'm going to come down here to custom and put in celebrity home sales recent. So this is going to do a live Google search. It's going to take a little bit of time. So while we're doing that, I'm going to show you a couple things with my tool here. Let's say you're a new YouTuber. You can come to the audience persona and put in something. I'm going to do celebrity real estate and lifestyles. So you can prompt this for your own channel and put in any topic or any custom niche. It's going to give you kind of an audience persona here. Our tool is still running the topic scout. So here it comes, here it goes. So it's going to give us a few ideas here. Taylor Swift's latest real estate moves. There's some rumors here about her selling one of her properties. Billionaires Row Exodus, why A-list celebrities are selling their ultra luxury NYC and LA houses, and Inside Wildest Celebrity Home Flippers. So there's a few topics here that it's going to give us. So what I'm going to do here is actually do this number one, and I'm going to first ask AI about it. So it's going to go ahead and give me some information about this particular video. You don't have to do this, but now this is going to do all of the research for you about this video. Her Rhode Island beach expansion, her New York City portfolio, Beverly Hills. So I'm going to save all those to notes. Now that we know we have this topic here, I'm going to go ahead and click this, and that's going to bring us up to the title generator. We haven't forgot about the audience persona here. So aspirational Ava, it's going to tell us some viewer goals, some pain points, some suggested video topics, and that's what I'm kind of working on now. So now that we have this as our topic, I'm just going to simply hit generate titles. Then I'm going to come to the description and generate some descriptions. And then I'm also going to generate a thumbnail. And then let's come down to our full script, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this. So we can do a hook, a full script, a hook outline, a video script outline, or a full script. I'm going to do a full script here, and I want to just do a short video. I'm going to do engaging storytelling. So I'm going to do generate a full script. So now while that was running, let's come back up to our title generator and see if it got finished here. So our title generator gives us 5 great titles that we can use. It ranks them here. I'll probably use one of these here, so we can save all of these to notes. So I'm going to save all of those there, and then I'm going to decide later which title that I'm going to use. But all of these will be great for this particular video, depending on what angle I take. Now it gave us our full description here. Let me pull it down. It gives a full description, tells us to add some hashtags. If you want to add something here, like please subscribe to my channel or my website, the generator will add that to the description here. So we're going to save those to notes. We're going to save those to notes, save those, and save those as well. We ran a thumbnail generator, and what it's going to do is give us a concept first, some suggested captions, and then it kind of gives us an image prompt here. I'm going to run this. It may give us an error since it's a celebrity image, but this is like a cartoon image. For a celebrity thumbnail, what I would use is the actual picture of Taylor Swift and a celebrity, a picture of Taylor Swift, and then a picture of her house in the background. So this is a decent kind of thumbnail. It has a text editor here. We can put a custom text or no text. I'm going to do that as no text. I'm just going to download that and save that for later. So we already ran our topic scout. What I recommend is saving all these to notes in case I want to use any of these later on for a video. We have our audience persona. I'm going to save that. We didn't do a video hook, but we can just do a particular hook. If you're an on camera, you can use our tool just for a hook or an outline. And then we have our full script here. And this is just when it's a short form script, it's going to be about one minute. The long ones are going to be about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on what you want to put here for your outline. So all I had to do is put in this topic. It gives us a hook. Taylor Swift dominates the charts, but you know she's also a real estate titan. Has scene one. It gives me some visuals we can put, what the voiceover or what I want to talk about. And this is once again just a quick script here, so we can save that script to notes. And then we have our other tools, a content expansion. So if you want to get some ideas for some other videos, we can test a few titles here. And we have a community post generator, finally, that you can translate your notes. All those items that I've been generating, they are all saved to my scratch pad here. So now I have a full video idea concept. I still have to create the video, so look out for my channel here soon. I have our chat notes, and we have our full chat notes here. If we wanted to expand on this video, we can definitely do that as well. If we wanted to go to the full script and say, hey, let's do an angle just on with Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce, we can generate that as well. So now that I have all of these to my scratch pad, you can copy these to your own notes, or you can simply scroll down to the bottom here. You can email them or save as HTML. All your notes are going to easily pop up here that you can easily copy into your YouTube video. Here's the descriptions, the keywords. You can just copy these and paste these, a suggested file name, the thumbnail concepts, all of our topics here. So everything is nice, clean here for you to use. This saves on your computer as your local notes. This is just for you. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. This is just a quick rundown of what I would do for my particular video. I would love for you to try it for your video topic or idea. It's totally free. YouTubeCreatorAI.com.